Hello students, this is the teacher Padma. In the previous video, you studied the two functions of Human Resources Department, which was procurement and development of human resources. So today, you will study the other functions of Human Resources Department. Compensation and benefits is the important function of Human Resource Department. The success of business enterprise depends largely upon the caliber and dedication of its human resources. The employees deserve the fair and equitable remuneration for their contributions towards the achievement of organizational objectives. Employee needs, job requirements, legal provisions regarding minimum wages, capacity of the firm to pay, prevailing wage rates in the industry, etc., are the important factors which must be kept in the view while fixing the remuneration of employees. In addition to monetary compensation, several types of non-financial payments may be made to employees in the form of housing, medical, conveyance, and other perquisites. The next function of the Human Resource Department is integration, which involves the creation of sound industrial relations. For this, two-way communication between the management and workers is essential. The personnel department must maintain harmonious relation with the trade unions to ensure industrial discipline, industrial peace, redressal of employees' grievances, bargaining, and workers' participation in management. The next function is maintenance. It is very important to create proper working conditions of the workers so that they can work with dedication and efficiency. Sound working conditions help to ensure the health, safety, welfare, motivation and morale of employees. In addition to good working conditions like ventilation, lighting, freedom from noise, right temperature, sanitation, etc., welfare measures such as children's education, recreation, sports, cafeteria, etc., ensures the physical and social well-being of the employees. All these welfare services are planned and administered by the Personnel Department. Records and research is the other function of Human Resource Department. Systematic and up-to-date records of absenteeism, employee turnover, industrial accidents, industrial disputes, wage payments, etc. are necessary to help the top management in the formulation of appropriate personnel policies and procedures. Let's have a quick recap. Human resources management is concerned with the acquisition, development, compensation, and maintenance of an efficient and dedicated workforce. Functions of Human Resources Department are procurement and development of human resources, compensation, integration, maintenance, and records and research.